Good morning, everybody. Let us continue application of derivative. Application means use of differentiation. First application, derivative as rate measure, in which you have done calculating velocity of the particle, acceleration of the particle, distance travelled by the particle, everything. After that you have seen rate of change of radius, rate of change of area. So let us continue that one. Some more different types of problems are there. Problem number 5. Problem number 5. A stone is dropped. A stone is dropped into a quit lake, and waves move in circles, At the speed of 5 centimeter per second. 5 centimeter per second. At the instant when the radius of the circular wave is 8 centimeters. How fast is the enclosed area increasing? Yes. A stone is dropped into a lake. Water. Immediately the waves are formed. And the wave moves away from the center. Remember, circular wave moves away from the center. So that one is given. Waves move in circles at the speed of 5 centimeter per second. Waves are moving in the speed of 5 centimeter per second. At the instant when the radius is reached 8 centimeter, what will be the rate of change of area of that ring? Area of that circle. When the radius is reached 8 centimeter of the particular wave, 8 centimeter radius, by that time what is the rate of change of area? So let me write one by one. Stone is dropped into the lake and waves are formed. Wave is moving at the rate of. So rate of change of. Let me write one by one. Rate of change of 5 centimeter per second. It is the radius. Speed means it is the rate of change of. So rate of change of radius. 5 centimeter per second. Wave is moving at the rate of means its radius is increasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per second. At the instant when the radius of the circular wave is 8 centimeter, radius reached is 8 centimeters. How fast is the enclosed area increasing? Rate of change of area. Rate of change of area over. Notation just write dA by dt. Rate of change of radius. I have not written the notation there. Better to write that one. It is change of radius dr by dt. Rate of change of radius 5 centimeter per second. Yes. Now write the formula for the area of the circle. Whatever may be, it is the wave or anything. Total it is a circle. So area of the circle. Area of the circle. Pi r square. Differentiating both sides with respect to time t. What is that t? It is time. You get dA by dt equal to phi constant 2r dr by dt, or dA by dt equal to pi into 2 into radius reached is 8 into dr by dt already given 5. So direct question, calculate the value. It is 16 into 5, 80 pi area cm square per second. Let me write the conclusion. Rate of change of area is 80 pi centimeter square per second over. See, sentence type of problem, statement type of problem. But remember, write one by one. What are the things given? List them. What is the quantity asked? Write that one also. Then write the formula, differentiate. Whichever may be the problem given under this particular topic, write one by one. What are the things given? You first list them. Then calculate the unknown quantity. Anyway, fifth problem is over. Sixth one. The length x of a rectangle, the length x of a rectangle, the length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of, is decreasing at the rate of, is decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per minute. 5 centimeter per minute. And the width y of the same rectangle is increasing at the rate of, is increasing at the rate of 4 centimeter per minute. When x equal to 8 centimeter, y equal to 6 centimeter, find the rate of change of, find the rates of change of A, the perimeter, A, the perimeter, B, the area of the rectangle, of the rectangle. Yes. Problem is taken. Again, it is a rectangle. See, rectangle. And length of the rectangle they have taken as x and width is y. Now see that x or the length of the rectangle is decreasing. Length decreasing and rate of change of width is increasing. That means it will be like this. See, length decreasing, breadth increasing means very next step it will be like this. At one particular moment it is like this. Length decreased, width increased. So this process is going on. And continuously. So length is decreasing at the constant rate. See, 5 centimeter per minute. Length is decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per minute. Breadth is increasing at the rate of 4 centimeter per minute. When the length reaches 8 centimeter, width reaches 6 centimeter, what is the rate of change of its perimeter? Process is continuous one. Decreasing, the length is decreasing, width is increasing, process is continuous, and finally when the length reaches 8 centimeter, width reaches 6 centimeter, at that time what is the rate of change of perimeter? What is the rate of change of its area? These are the two questions they have. Anyway, let me write one by one here. Length decreasing. So, rate of change of length. Write one by one. What are the things given? Rate of change of length is, let me write dx by dt because length is x I have taken. Dx by dt. And it is decreasing. Remember, it is minus how much? 5 centimeter per second. Per minute. Okay. So decreasing, immediately you take it as minus. Rate of change of width dy by dt is increasing. So it is 4 centimeter per minute. Next, when the, so length is given, length x equal to 8 centimeter and width y equal to 6 centimeters. Question is, let me write the question. Then what is the rate of change of perimeter? Give the notation perimeter. Yes, let me give. ds by dt equal to how much? Over. Remember, yes, the notation I have taken for the perimeter. Let us answer the first question first. A first. Then write the formula for perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter of the rectangle. S equal to what? Perimeter means there are 2x and 2y. Perimeter. So it is 2x plus 2y. This is total perimeter of the rectangle. Differentiating both sides with respect to time t. You get ds by dt left hand side, 2 into dx by dt, 2 into dy by dt. Remember, you are not finding dy by dx. Here actually x and y are length and width. You are differentiating with respect to time t. Because all the three quantities are variable. S, x, y, everything is variable. Now, Question is to find ds by dt. Leave it. Then right hand side, what about this? 2 into dx by dt given minus 5. Minus 5 plus 2 into dy by dt 4. Or it is minus 10 plus 8 minus 2. Rate of change of perimeter. Rate of change of perimeter equal to minus 2 centimeter per minute. Remember, as the time increases, perimeter decreases, minus. Go on the total perimeter decreases. Rate of change of perimeter is minus 2 centimeter per minute. As the length decreases, width increases by 5 centimeter per minute and 4 centimeter per minute respectively, then the total perimeter decreases at the rate of minus 2 centimeter per minute. Yes? Again, one more question is that, no? What is the rate of change of area? Written? Let me write here only. Instead of A, now it is B. B is rate of change of area, dA by dt. Second one is, this one is a question. Area of the rectangle is increasing. Write the formula for the area, not the perimeter. Area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle is length into breadth, x into y. Perimeter is total length, distance from the particular point to the same point described on the boundary of the rectangle. That is called perimeter. Now it is a area, total space. Area of the rectangle is A equal to length into breadth, differentiating both sides with respect to time t on both sides. Yes. dA by dt equal to derivative of this dx by dt into second function as it is, derivative of the first into second as it is, first one as it is, derivative of the second. Note the product formula, product rule. Because it is x into y, differentiation, product formula must be used there. Equal to dx by dt given, see, minus 5 into y. Y is given here, see, when the width reaches 6 centimeter, x length reaches 8 centimeter, dy by dt 4. Simplify and get the answer. Minus 30 plus 32 or 2 centimeter, it is area, square per minute. Let me write the conclusion. Therefore, rate of change of area is 2 square centimeter per minute over. I think you got the idea. What is the rate of change of its perimeter and what is the rate of change of area? There are two questions. different types of problem under rate measure. See? Okay, let me write next one, seventh one. Several problems are there in the textbook. Problem number seventh one, see. A balloon which always remains spherical. A balloon always remains spherical. On inflation is being inflated by pumping. Inflated by pumping in 900 cc per 900 cc of gas per second. Again, balloon is inflated by pumping inside the balloon 900 cc of the gas per second. You are filling the air inside the balloon. How much? 900 cc of gas is filled into the spherical balloon per second. Okay, next. Find the rate at which the radius of the balloon, increases when the radius is 15 centimeter. When the radius is 15 centimeters. Read the problem again and list the things given one by one correctly. A balloon spherical in shape, inflated, air is filled inside the balloon at the rate of 900 cc per second. Find the rate at which radius of the balloon is increasing. Radius of the balloon increasing. Since you are filling a constant rate of this gas 900 cc, therefore rate of change of radius will not be constant, remember. Initially its radius increases fastly, but after getting sufficient space, even though you are filling 900 cc, radius changes by small amount. That is what here is. When you have to calculate the rate of change of radius, when the radius is reached 15 centimeter, that's all. When the radius reaches 15 centimeter, by that time what is the rate of change of radius? Understand the problem clearly, that's all. Now, anyway, let me write one by one. Spherically inflated, this much amount means it is rate of change of volume. Rate of change of volume. Remember, filling the air means it is actually volume of the gas. So, rate of change of volume, let me write dV by dt equal to 900 cc per second. Okay. First sentence over. Second one is, find the rate at which radius of the balloon increases. Rate of change of radius. dr by dt equal to how much? Okay, next. When the radius is 15, so all the things are listed. Radius r equal to 15 centimeters. Now you write formula for the volume of the sphere. volume of the sphere V equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. I think you remember this formula. Volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Yes, next, volume of the sphere. Differentiating both sides with respect to time t again. dV by dt, 4 by 3 constant, pi also constant, but derivative of r cube is 3r square into dr by dt. Fill up all the things. dV by dt given 900. 4 by 3 can be cancelled here. Pi r square into dr by dt. R square is given 15 square. dr by dt, that is what we need. So write as it is. Over. Simplification is 225 pi dr by dt, or dr by dt equal to 900 divided by 225 pi. Correct, no? Rate of change of volume 900. Find the rate at which the radius of the dr by dt when the radius is 15. Volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3, 3r square dr by dt. 4 pi, what happened here? 4 is missing. That is why this 4 is missing. 4 pi 15 square dr by dt, 4 into, or here divided by 4. Now it is correct. 4 into pi, or it is 900 by correct, no? 1 by pi. So rate of change of radius is 1 by pi centimeter per second. 1 by pi centimeter per second.